Good morning, my dear students. Today we will solve together um, length word problem, okay? So the first question, Lisa is 130 centimeter tall, okay? And Nina is 5 centimeter shorter than Lisa. How tall is Nina? What the meaning of shorter? When? Shorter, أقل. So we will make a subtraction. Nina is 5 centimeters shorter than Lisa. Okay, how many tall is Lisa? 130. So Nina will be 130 centimeter minus 5 centimeters equals 125 centimeter. So the tall of Nina will be 125 centimeter. Okay. Question 2. John is 130 centimeter tall. Peter is 5 centimeter taller than, not shorter. Taller we will make add plus. Shorter we will make subtraction minus. Okay, how tall is Peter? So when he tell me that he is taller than John, so we will make a plus. So 130 plus 5 equals 135 centimeter. Okay, okay. Here, the next question. Question 3. We have two rulers. Okay, one of them equals 85 centimeter and 30 centimeter long. The second one is 30 centimeter. No. The first one is 85 centimeter and the second one is 30 centimeter. Okay, what is their total length? Total length, when I see the word total, so I will make addition. So the total length of the two rulers equal 85 plus 30. Okay, okay. Here 5 plus 0 equals 5 and 8 plus 3 equals 11. So the total length of the two rulers will be 115 centimeter. Okay, okay. Here, question 4. Line segment A is 120 centimeter long and line segment B is 95 centimeter long. Okay, how much shorter is line segment B than A? احنا اتفقنا when we say shorter minus longer or taller plus. Okay, he needs to know how much shorter is line segment B than A. So we will make a subtraction. 120 minus 95. Okay, so the answer 0 minus 5, it will be 10 minus 5 equals 5, and 1 minus 9, it can't be, so 11 minus 9 equal 11 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, so the answer will be 25 centimeter. Okay, so line B is shorter than line A by 25 centimeter. Okay, question 5. Andrew cut a piece of paper in 3 equal pieces of 6 centimeter. How long was the paper before he cut it? We know that 3 equal pieces كل بيس فيهم كانت ب6 سنتيمتر. اوكي so احنا عايزين نعرف البيبر before he cut it كانت how long. هنقول 3 times 6. اوكي مش هم 3 equal pieces كل بيس فيهم ب6 يا اما نقول 6 plus 6 plus 6 or 6 times 3. okay 6 times 3 equals 18 centimeter. okay the next question. Question 6. A building is 80 meters tall. A flagpole on top of it is 25 meters tall. How high is the top of the flagpole from the ground? Okay. We have a building. البيلدينج ده الهايت بتاعه أو ارتفاعه 80 متر. اوكي فوق البيلدينج ده في flag pole. okay on the top and the height of it 25. So the total height, when I say the word total, so I will make addition. So the total height of this flagpole from the ground هنقول 80 meter plus لأن إحنا قلنا total so we will make addition 85 plus 80 plus 25 equals 105 meter. Okay, thank you all for listening.